This wig definitely screams summertime to me. This is another balayage wig. I have been loving this coloring style, and I want to thank Queen Virgin Remy for sponsoring today's video. This is their balayage Funmi curly glueless 5x5 HD lace closure wig. This is 26 inches long. I'm not wearing it glueless today, but you can wear it glueless. I wanted to go ahead and adhere it down so I could wear it for a couple of days because she's cute, right? This wig does have a nice density. It's 180%. This is the hair after defining the curls with a water and leave-in mixture, and the hair is not even fully dry right now, so it's gonna get even bigger. It's about 75% dry right now, so another like 30-45 minutes and it'll be completely dry. I've absolutely been loving curly lace closure wigs for the summer. They're easy to install. They look really good. You can wear them wet, and this color is everything. So if you would like to see how I installed this wig today from Queen Virgin Remy, y'all know what to do. Definitely stay tuned.
You did that, yeah, you crossed the line about 1,000 times and I did that. Yeah, I stayed a while, tried to make it right. A cigarette, no, I never smoked, but my heart is broke, explosive. Stressing for that old thing back. That initial love, all the goosebumps, those flutters in my gut, turn into disgust. What a waste of love, babe. I just wanna go back to how it was, lay in each other's arms all day. Send me gifts just because. Tell me where we went wrong. Started out as homies, ended up as lovers. How'd it get so ugly? Can't we rediscover, baby, what it was? Or let's be honest, it was just a lover. You were so romantic, we were picture perfect. So much freaking passion, why we never got it back, babe? It was just a lover. Really wish you didn't push me away. I was willing to try long as it takes. I would never say we were a mistake, but fleeting romance doesn't a lifetime make. That initial love, all the goosebumps, those flutters in my gut, turn into disgust. What a waste of love, babe. I just wanna go back to how it was, baby. Lay in each other's arms all day. Send me gifts just because it's Tuesday. Tell me where we went wrong. Started as fantasy, ended as enemies. How'd it get so ugly? Can't we rediscover, baby, what it was? Or let's be honest, it was just a lover. You were so romantic, we were picture perfect. So much freaking passion, why we never got it back, babe? If you miss me, just say that, babe. Lover, I don't deserve what you put me through, so you don't deserve one more chance. It's true, I still miss you, but I really miss that love bomb. Go back to how it was. You hit me with that love bomb, lay in each other's arms all day, coming so strong, send me so strong. It was just a love bomb, tension is building, yeah, yeah, and driving us crazy. Powerful sex appeal, but we play it cool. Touch, push and pull, that friction so sensual. Clutch, draw me in when you handle me that way. Where you've been all my life, just play by the rules. Baby, hold out until it's too much. And I want you to want me, yeah, yeah. I want you to crave me. As tension is building, yeah, yeah, and driving us crazy.
So I just finished eating and I was watching TV while I let the hair air dry a bit. It's about 75% dry right now. As you can see, it gets a lot fuller after the hair starts to dry, and you can definitely brush it out if you want this hair to get really big. I think the color of this wig is super gorgeous. I love the way that this install turned out. If you enjoyed it, definitely give it a big thumbs up. And if you're interested in checking out this wig from Queen Virgin Remy, I will leave a link down below in the description box. If you would like to see the makeup tutorial for the look that I'm rocking in this video, be sure to click the box right here. It's gonna take you straight to it.